In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add border to image in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to make an image stand out more clearly in your edit, adding a border is a quick and effective way to do it. In DaVinci Resolve, this can be done very simply using an effect, and the whole process only takes a moment once you know where to look. To begin, locate your image in the timeline. Make sure you've already placed the image clip into your project so you can apply the effect directly to it. This is important because the border effect needs to be added to the actual image clip you want to style. Once you've found the image, go to the top left area of the interface and open the Effects tab. This is where DaVinci Resolve keeps a wide range of visual effects and tools that you can apply to clips. If you don't immediately see what you need, don't worry, the search feature makes this much faster. Under Effects, use the search bar and type in Outer Stroke. This effect is designed to create a border-like outline around your image, which is exactly what you need here. As soon as it appears in the search results, click on it and drag it directly onto your image clip in the timeline. After you drop the effect onto the clip, that's it. The border has been added to your image. It's a very fast method, and it's a great option when you want to give your image more definition or help it separate from the background of your video. If you're following along and the effect doesn't seem to apply at first, double-check that you dragged it onto the correct image clip and not onto an empty area of the timeline. That small detail can make a difference. Also, it helps to make sure the image clip is easy to see in your timeline before applying the effect, especially if you're working on a larger project with multiple layers. This technique is useful for thumbnails, photo montages, presentations, and any edit where you want your image to look cleaner and more polished without spending a lot of time on complicated settings. And that's how to add a border to an image in DaVinci Resolve.